What are you eating, Brycey?
Pizza.
You eating your pizza crust? You okay, Bryce? How's that pizza? Is it good pizza?
Barely.
He had a whole slice of pizza. The whole thing in his mouth.
Cheese.
Yes, Dalen.
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh yeah, look at Dalen dance. Oh yeah. That's his wiggles. Do the wiggles with the tongue out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go Dalen. Go Dalen. Go Dalen. Go Dalen. Go Dalen. Go Dalen. All right. Say bye-bye.